Good morning, students. So, block number 23, rocks and minerals. So, lesson number 2, type of rocks. So, aim of this lesson to explain how igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks are formed. So, in the first lesson, we have discussed about the what type of the rocks and what type of the rocks is there and why we differentiated them based on their color, it is shiny or not, whether the granule formed or not, with the pores. So some of the rocks have the pores, means that small hole. So based on this we have the different shaded of rocks that we discussed. So now we will discuss why we have a different type of the rocks. So mainly we have the three different type of the rocks is there. So first is igneous, second is sedimentary, and third is a metamorphic rocks is there. So students, so see here, why do you think so the rocks are different from the each other, and that we will discuss today. Okay, why the rocks are the different from each other, like the igneous, like sedimentary, like metamorphics. So these type of the rocks, why it is different from each other, that we are going to learn now. So rocks are classified into how they are formed. So they have been different three types. Okay, so first is a igneous rock. So see this picture, students, how the igneous rock form. So when they end hot magma from the volcano, so it is a volcanic eruption. So when the hot magma form of the volcano, it will comes upside, and so it is one, it will come up, and the magma, see here, this is a magma. So it is magma just below the surface, and it will the cools. So when it is will cools down, a type of the material from it is called that a granite. So when it is become a blow in the surface, and it is become a, when it is a cool, so it is form of the one type of the rocks, it is a granite. So next one, it is lava. Okay, you can upside see, this is a lava. So lava come out of the volcano and it is cool quickly. So it has a pumice. So pumice means that a small hole. Okay, so when the air enter into the lava, it form the porous. Okay, porous means that a small hole. So that is this example of the pumice rock. Okay, so these are the two different type of the rocks is there. So here I will given a diagram here. So hot magma, it is a come up and cool just below the surface. So it is a form of the granite rocks. When the lava come out and cool quickly, it is form of the pumice rock. Okay, students. So see here, next one is a sedimentary rocks. Okay, what is the sedimentary rocks and how they are the formed means when the due to the weatherings. So see, when the due to the weathering, due to the mountain rock, otherwise big rocks will be there. So those due to the weathering will break down into the rainfall, means if there is a heavy rainfall, so the some rocks are break down into the small pieces due to the erosions, means when the full amount of the water, it will be flow along with the water, we can see here. Okay, so see in here, first the weathering, this is a weathering, means when it is a heavy rainfall it is there, so this rock break down into the small pieces. So next is the erosion. So it is also form of the erosions, means the when the full amount of water, it will be flow along with the water, we can see here, this is arrow show that. So it will flow and mix into the river. So it is can be flow and it is mixed into the river. Here you can see in this picture. So that all the rock pieces will do, it will settle down into the sea level or the ocean. So see here depositions, means here the settle down the some of the rocks. So that what happened of the compression. So see here the compression. So compression means due to the pressure, these all they form in the layer. So here these all the rocks can form in the layer. So see here sedimentations means here we can see that a rock form in the layer. Okay. So see this one also one examples of the sedimentary rocks. So here you can see the due to the mixing of so many different type of the rocks and due to the pressure, they all are formed in the layer. So see in this picture you can see here the different layers. See this is a different layers you can see here. So that here we can say due to the mixing of so many different type of the rocks or the mountain, due to the weathering, erosion, again depositions, compressions, and last is one of the formation is sedimentations of the rocks. So means here we can see the layers of the rocks. So this is a sedimentary rocks. Okay. So next is a metamorphic rocks. And what is the metamorphic rocks means, students? So when the igneous rock and sedimentary rocks due to the more pressure from the upside and downside rocks, so will become the hard. So that is called that a metamorphic rock. So this arrow show that a pressures. Okay, it is show that a pressure of the igneous rock and pressure of the sedimentary rocks, and then it is from the metamorphic rocks. Okay, so here you can see that a different rocks is there which is that formed by the igneous and sedimentary rocks. It is changed into the metamorphic rocks. Okay, it is converted into the metamorphic rocks due to the pressure. Due to the pressure of the igneous rock and sedimentary rocks. So first is a granite rocks. So it is granite, it is igneous rock, and the sandstone and the limestone, it is a sedimentary rocks. So granite, it is changed to the gneiss, this type of the rocks. So granite, it is changed into the metamorphic rocks. Again next is a sandstone. Sandstone, it is a change into the quartz rocks, and limestone, it is changed to the marble. So these are the some example of the metamorphic rocks. Okay, so students, I hope you can understand the three types of the rocks is there. So now all of you open your worksheet. Yes to type of the rocks. So first question is there, which type of the rock do you think is it and why? How it is rock formed. Okay, so here you can see in this picture and how it is a form. So in this picture given that formation of igneous rock and formation of the sedimentary rocks. So it has been clearly given that based on that want to write the following you can answer. Okay, so here you can see that in a one picture. So see here you can see that one type of the rock is there. You can see on this rock it is a small holes. So small holes means it is called that a porous. So which type of the rock this and why it is like that and how it is formed, you have to think and write here, write in the question number 1. Okay students, so you can solve it. So next question number 2. In which type of the rock will you find the piece of the rock remain of the plants and animal trapped? So how are these rock formed? So students, what happened? Students, when the sedimentary rocks in the ocean or in the sea, so when the small rocks are deposited into the sedimentary rocks in the ocean, so sometimes what happened, the plant and animal are trapped into that layer. So it is in the sedimentary rocks we can see that a plant and animal structure. Okay, so this way you have to write the answer. So question number 3. Name the hardest rock formed and how are they formed and why are they hardest? So students, metamorphic rock, it is the hardest because due to the pressure they are formed. So igneous rock and the sedimentary rocks, on these two type of the rocks it is apply the pressure, and then we can see that metamorphic rocks. Okay, so you have to complete your worksheet, you have to complete your all questions. Okay students, so in the next video we can learn our lesson number 3.